We'll see. It was fine. The people that were there were lovely people. I had a good time.
Yeah. I'm excited because we've had you
all right,
here for a couple of Q&As, and because we love to pick your brain and ask you lots and lots of questions. But I started to see a lot of repetition in the questions over time. And so I really wanted to see, like, let Ben teach us what Ben thinks we need to know. And so I'm excited to have you come in and do a talk of your own choosing. So.
Okay, great. Because I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to basically talk about how programming sucks. Is that cool?
Tell us what you really think, Ben.
Yeah. This is, I mean, no, we don't have time for that, but we can do what I have compressed into this talk. So I'm going to go ahead and present.
Love it.
And
while you do, I just want to give a quick shout out to AG Grid for hosting or for sponsoring Angular Nation. We love AG Grid. Always say hi to AG Grid.
You know, kind of facts. Like I've had to do a lot of stuff with AG Grid over the last like 3 years.
Do you love them too?
I do. They're it's a very, very handy thing when you're like, oh, I need a really full feature table and I need it like now.
Yeah.
I don't want to build one.
Yeah. I love them.
So